What is penetration testing? A growing trend in the computer world today is penetration testing. Penetration testing is where an individual tries to break into your network remotely and see what they can find. This is actually very useful because it can identify vulnerabilities that you might not be aware of. That individual can then help you to apply fixes to those vulnerabilities to ensure that hackers can't exploit those vulnerabilities in the future. Penetration testing comes in two different flavors, computer testing and physical testing. When you do any type of computer-based testing, they're going to be looking at web servers. They'll try to access your Wi-Fi networks, file servers, or remote access servers to see what information they can access digitally. If they're doing any type of physical testing, they'll be looking to see if they can break into your facility using lock-picking tools or other types of implements to gain physical access to your computer equipment. Both of these are very important if you're trying to ensure that your network is secure. If you have any questions about security of your computer network, please contact Talixa Software and we can consult with how to find those vulnerabilities and how to fix those vulnerabilities to ensure you have a secure computer network.